Skyline English for Kuwait. Grade 1B, Student's Book. Unit 5, Lesson 1. Listen to the recording and tick true or false.
Good morning. Do you know where we're going today?
No, teacher.
Today we're going on a trip to Kuwait Towers.
Wow. I love Kuwait Towers.
Later, at Kuwait Towers.
What can you see over there, Fahad?
I can see a dhow.
Yes, Fahad, that is right. A dhow is an old Kuwaiti boat. Where is the Kuwaiti flag?
It is on the Kuwait Towers. Its colours are black, green, white and red.
What can you see behind the towers, Hamad?
The garden is behind the towers.
Who is playing in the garden?
The children are playing in the garden.
Kuwait is a wonderful country.
You are right, Mr. Ali. We love Kuwait.